street level on. Metro rail is a type of high-capacity railway system. It is also called a rapid transit system. It usually has tracked above street level on elevated structures that are constructed of steel or concrete. It is one of the fastest ways of commuting in large cities. With a view to saving Dhaka from the unbearable traffic jam, the construction work of a metro rail project is speeding up. The project will be finished in 2 phases. Officially known as the Mass Rapid Transit, MRT, Line 6. The metro rail service is expected to carry near above 600,000 passengers per award once it is completed. It is supposed to significantly reduce the travel time inside Dhaka city. The project is expected to save Tk 200 billion per year, which will be a huge relief for our first growing economy. However, since the start of the project, Dhaka city dwellers have been facing difficulties due to heavy traffic jams. Such a situation is caused by the ongoing excavation for the metro rail. Nevertheless, people are enthusiastically bearing these temporary difficulties because they know that it will save thousands of work hours by reducing traffic jams. It will also give the city dwellers a comfortable life. Hence, it will not be wrong to say that metro rail has opened a gateway leading to a modern and comfortable future.